Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant, answering a question submitted by a student. Looks like the student is taking calculus, and it's actually a very simple question to answer. You don't really actually use any calculus to answer the question. Uh, we just need to know average velocity, and average velocity is just the distance traveled divided by the time it took to travel that distance. So it's really a slope problem, believe it or not, and very simple. So we're just going to find the height at a given time. You can think of this as an XY table. It's probably the easiest way. Let me set it up that way. So we have a time and a height. And so we just time 1, the height's going to be 95 times 1 minus 16, 1 squared. So putting that in my calculator, I get 79. And then time becomes 1.1, and the height is 95 times 1.1 minus 16, 1.1 squared. And I'm going to put that in my calculator. And I got 85.14. And now we're just finding slope, changing y over change in x. So it's going to be 85.14 minus 79 over 1.1 minus 1. Okay, go back to the calculator. 85.14 minus 79 is going to give me 6.14 over 0.1. And that's 61.4. And let's make sure we get our units here. It's in feet per second, so this would be so the average velocity between time 1 and time 1.1 would be 61.4 feet per second. So it's actually very simple. The next step is probably to learn that the speed or velocity is the first derivative of this, and acceleration will be the second derivative of this. But to answer this particular question, we don't have to get into any of that. Okay, so that's all it is. It's probably seemed a lot harder, which is why the student submitted it. I hope that explanation was helpful, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.